Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily fix this error if you want to log in into your cPanel account. So if you are trying to log into your cPanel account and you have been getting this error, this is very frustrating. So I understand, because even though you are trying to upload a large file and you will be automatically logged out from your cPanel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video you can be able to get a notification for that. So before I get started, let me just log in and show you guys that I can't log in. So now this is, I have been logged in, right, but this is not displaying well. So the issue that normally bring this in, so is number one is your IP. So your IP or the network that you are using, so that is the issue to this. So before you can be able to fix this issue, you will either use a VPN or a strong network or IP, because I have tried this in my Airtel SIM or my MTN SIM, but I think that it normally works well if I'm using my Airtel SIM for my data connection. So if you don't have MTN SIM or your Airtel SIM, if you are trying to look for another alternative for you to be able to do that, so I suggest for you to download Tor VPN and Tor browser. So you just need to download Tor browser. Just go to your search box and type in Tor browser. So this is the browser here. So this is the browser, Tor browser. So you just need to download it and you can be able to log into your hosting successfully. So the second step which you need to do is to get a VPN. So you just get a VPN and you turn on your VPN. So once your VPN is connected, then once you log in, you can be able to log into your hosting, your cPanel. So let me wait for my VPN to, okay, my VPN is now connected, right? You can see it here. So the next thing you need to do is just go and log in. So I'll just refresh this page. Let me refresh this page. So now let me log in. Boom, as you can see that the interface is very okay. So all the icons has been loading, so everything here now is now loaded correctly, unlike before. So this is how you can easily fix this error occurring on your cPanel when you are trying to log into your cPanel. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you can be able to get a notification anytime I release a new video. See you in my next video.